Hello everyone. In this video lesson, we are going to understand about negation character. So negation characters are represented with a caret symbol inside the square brackets. So if you see here, this is my opening of square bracket and this is the close of my square bracket. And if you use a symbol like this, so this is called as caret symbol, or you can also say that this is a hat symbol, right? And you can give your characters here. Okay, either you can give your characters like this, or you can also give your characters like a range, for example A to E. So this is what is your negation character. Now what this negation character does, so suppose you don't want to match anything between A to E, so what you can do is you can just give A hyphen E and you can place a negation character here, so it will match everything apart from A to E. So let's take few examples. I have few strings. For example, the first one, I'll just say this is string 1, then this is string 2, this is string 3, and so on. Now what I want is, I don't want to match any numbers. Okay, so what I can do is I'll just place a caret symbol. So here I'll just place a caret symbol and I'll just give 0-9. So you see that it has selected all the alphabets and it has excluded all the numbers. So here 1, 2, 3, or here 1, 2 and 3, you see that they are excluded and it only selects all the spaces or dots or all alphabets, but apart from numbers it selects everything. Now in the same example, suppose I don't want to capture anything in alphabets or numbers, or suppose I have another line and I'll just write it in capital letter. So this is in capital letters. So I have this line as well. So I don't want to match all the capital letters or the small letters or the numbers. So what I can do is I can simply write here like A hyphen Z and then small a hyphen Z and then 0 to 9. So you see that it has not selected anything from letters or numbers. So it has selected this dot or spaces, right? Now I want to match any single character which is not present inside this bracket. So for example, if I just give here ABC, okay, you see that it has captured everything apart from this capital ABC. So from here to here it has captured everything, and in this line it has captured all the capital letters apart from A, B and C. So you see here this is dot and this is number, so obviously this has captured this, and T, H, IS, so this is in capital and this does not fall between A, B or C, so it has captured this. Similarly it has captured this as well, right? But if you notice here, it has not captured C and A. Again it has excluded this A. So this way you can use negation character. Now take another example. I don't want to select all the vowels and I just want to select all the characters apart from vowels. So what I'll do is I'll just give here A, E, I, O, U. So you see that it has selected everything apart from this vowels, right? So that's it in this lesson. So thanks for connecting and take care.